this vlog. And I'm just letting you know, I don't make the smartest life choices. So not only did I open this from the wrong end, savage, but I'm gonna take this bag and put it in the microwave. Logic. So anyways, what's gonna happen is I've seen bloggers do this, and I'm pretty sure that what happens basically is just the bag like shrinks, and everything is still on there, like the ingredients and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of these burritos and throw this in the microwave and wait for my house to explode. Great. Okay guys, so I'm ready to put this into the microwave. Yeah, this is gonna work out great. I'm just gonna start with 5 seconds. It happened. Oh, that smells really bad. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe it worked. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is hilarious. It's still, you can see. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that worked. Share with my family. My grandma. Oh! Smell it. What I made.
What is that?
It's a Fritos bag.
What is it?
It's a Fritos bag I put in the microwave for 5 seconds. I've seen videos and they
I
do
don't
it.
think that's a good idea.
What bag? A Fritos bag.
What did you
Sure.
get for Fritos bag?
Okay. It smells really bad. Oh my gosh. 5 seconds.
Oh, Fritos still in there?
No.
It would be funny if it was.
Oh yeah, he did it with them in there.
That's really small. How did it get that small?
I don't know. It's so weird. Oh my gosh. It literally only took 5 seconds. That's insane. Piece of art. Let's look at it in the light. So. Yeah. The ingredients and everything are still on there. That's hilarious.
What are
The ingredients. Well, both. It shrunk and it crumbled up. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I mean, it was pretty random. Because, well, obviously all my videos are random. This is so weird, guys. I'm gonna keep this. Yes. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Smells like static. But yeah, guys, this is a terrible idea. Do not do this. I shouldn't have done this. I have the best life choices. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please. What the? It's just ash. No, that's just paper. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.